I use it for my skincare routines. And
did she just rub it on her arm like it was a lotion? Or some type of body oil or body cream or body ointment?
Queen, calm down.
Somebody get Abrica. Come now, Abrica. She just, I use it for my skincare routine. It's pee-pee.
I want somebody to talk to come here go through depression.
Alright, so use the word professional in a sentence for me.
This is Generation for TVJ News.
If you want to know how to run fast, come to Jamaica.
I give me that now.
I am a professional Jamaican.
Guys, rain or fall and sun or shine. I'm not gonna stand up and wait till the weather make up your mind. So I'm gonna come out here with my umbrella.
Okay.
But as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, guys, we're gonna react to a couple but drinking their own a pee. Me don't know one to them people, you know one to them. If you want to go to my background, just don't really mind me, please. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. You know, say subscribe free, no money enough.
I want to them people, then they'll show them colors.
No money enough to pay. Just let's get straight into this video because I don't have whole heap of time. I literally 9 o'clock.
My name is Nick.
cheers. My name is Aubrey.
And we are addicted to drinking our urine.
We're addicted to drinking our urine. Drinking urine to me come like drinking one raw egg. May I focus on the texture, it smell, it taste, it like okay. I don't know, we just gotta continue.
And I have not drank water for years now.
No, you're overrun. You saying I drink water for years now. Okay, let's continue.
Each day I'm consuming about a half gallon of fresh urine. Smells like buttery popcorn.
Like, do not. Really? We start with just, video literally just that few little 1 minute, couple seconds. It smell like buttery popcorn. Me not in night this day. Not this day, Habrika. Come now, Habrika. Come now, Habrika. Come with something better.
Never in a million years would I think that I would have a son that would be drinking his own urine.
Right now, we're about to take a pee shower.
Queen, calm down.
I want to them people, then they'll show them colors.
A pee shower?
It almost feels like a drug.
Nick, come on!
I gotta wash down the burger with something.
So why are you doing this?
Okay. I consider myself a natural lifestyle enthusiast.
And that with them natural. You know, certain people say natural this, natural that. They always come up with some foolishness. Or me walk barefoot because natural. Or like it's okay to walk barefoot here and there and here. Because me walk barefoot, but every day in life I go walk barefoot.
Eat natural things that come from nature. I sleep on the ground.
Hey, Chuck, Father God it.
I sleep on the ground. Sleep on the ground, catch up cold, nobody not stop you. Sleep on the toughest ground you can possibly find and make sure it's cold. I sleep on the ground.
Things into water.
I don't use any makeup unless it's a very special occasion. And I am very minimal with the materials I wear on my body and what I consume.
And we are addicted to drinking our urine.
You what them a show like a some good. Ain't no way. Alright guys, so we're gonna go to part 2 right now. Hopefully my stomach can take this type of graphic scene because I don't know if my stomach can take it. I don't know if I can go far in this video because drinking one pee just come like raw egg. Anyways, we'll go to part 2.
On an average day, I probably drink between a half gallon and a gallon, so maybe 3 quarts of pee a day.
So maybe 3 quarters of pee a day. You're not, I want dehydrated in your body, so why you so thirsty? Might be and if you start drinking regular stuff, might be you don't realize what you do.
Each day I'm consuming about a half gallon of fresh urine.
And then it gulps on, grr, like a something great, like a something awesome. This so, this irritate my throat. I can't focus. Good.
I no longer drink water, and I have not drank water for years now. You really do feel more nourished drinking your urine than you do drinking water.
Well, it's delicious. It tastes pretty sweet and smells like buttery popcorn, but like not super pungent. I feel radiant, vibrant, vital, and more in love.
These words. I feel gradient, rare. And them somewhere would find them put up with too much foolishness. Come on now, we know say urine natural, just like your booty book bop. That's natural too. We're gonna eat it.
Self and life through this practice.
Oh, I big jug them with them up. It just my throat. Like, why them I show it like I want apple juice or something drinkable?
The main benefits that I would describe for drinking your urine are hydration. Number 2 that I noticed was severely improved digestion. The third one is retaining nutrients. Most of the nutrients from the food that you eat are coming out in your urine, and they're not actually going into your body.
Oh my gosh, why would you think God make us pee? If God didn't want to stay in our body, why not just leave it in our body? Why not just leave it in our body? Every time you pee, I drink it back. Every time you pee, I drink it back. It never leave your body. You don't feel like anything make you leave your body. You don't want to leave your body today. You don't want to try. You don't want to do it. Every day I drink the same all pee-pee. You drink the pee-pee. It pee-pee do what it do, and it pee-pee out again. All appear, all juice you drink over. All man, all juice, all throat, all belly. No smell bad. All out. Just, that's what it is.
I use it for my skincare routines, and
did she just rub it on her arm like it was a lotion or some type of body oil or body cream or body ointment? Somebody get Abrica. Come now, Abrica. Put down the jar. She just, I use it for my skincare routine. It's pee-pee. No, that's not. Sorry, we're not gonna get into that.
a scrape, a cut, any opened, exposed wound, I'll always use urine topically for that.
Then put top of tears.
Eardrop sometimes. I use it as eye drops sometimes.
Now I'ma push it. Now I'ma push the limits. Eye drop, pee-pee, urine as eye drop. What's wrong with them? What's literally wrong with them?
I swish it around my mouth like mouthwash.
They smell me by looking at him and saying he just maga smell bad. Sorry. You can just look for the man. You know them people that will just smell bad, they can't tell by how they look.
Alright, here we go. I spent a couple years not living here with my family. I did a lot of traveling. I lived in the Dominican Republic for a year. I lived in Hawaii for a little bit, Nicaragua a little bit, and now I'm home for the summer this year. Right now, we're about to take a pee shower.
Side eye.
Pour our pee on our hair, on our skin, rub it in so we can be out in the sun, get more tan, stay more hydrated with our skin.
Stay more hydrated with our skin. Our skin.
And just enjoy ourselves in the heat. All right.
It's disgusting.
It literally is. Thank you for somebody just recognize I want to speak up. It's very disgusting. Very, just big and very.
Okay.
Just very. Thank you to this person. It is. It really is.
Ugh. I think like pouring it in his hair, it's like dumping it on you, you know? I think that's like...
Any oil come in a pool, any oil come in a pool, They not for come in a pool. Don't make them come in a pool, come rinse off them pee yourself. Even though people pee in a pool.
Hello. Look here, man.
But in the tally, stand up outside and throw people on the head top. Everywhere rank. You smell bad.
Gross.
Whenever I have urine on my skin and I'm in the sun, it feels electric. I feel euphoria. I just feel so much more connected to my body and the earth, and my whole body is buzzing. It almost feels like a drug.
My shame when me hear my embarrassed.
At this point, just giving want to be earthly. You just give like you're not earthly, and you just try something to feel connected to the earth because you're not an earthly one. You're not an earthly being.
Hello. Look here, man.
Ooh, I cannot take that up. My phone jumped around like 2 times and I blame the urine video. My phone just say, oh my god, this seat is so tragic. Me nobody want to see it. The phone looks scraped up. Everything just wrong. Me not even know which part I'm in that video. But we're going to continue. We just have to continue.
It feels amazing. It's refreshing. And it just feels really good on my skin.
Ugh, come on, Nick. Drinking urine is not the most accepted thing out there, so it is a little embarrassing as his parents.
It's very embarrassing. It's a big old embarrassing just plug on the face. Like, embarrassing 1, embarrassing 2.
You know, when people find out, oh, you know, your kid drinks urine, it's like, it's different.
What's wrong with him?
Yeah, I don't know, man. We have 2 other kids, we have all these friends, we have this life, and one of the bad things is that there's this whole different thing going on here. It's difficult, it's embarrassing.
You know, I'm living my life. People can think whatever they want about it. It's really, like, none of my business what people think about me. So if you think I'm crazy, like, keep it to yourself.
You think I'm crazy? Well, keep it to yourself. First of all, Big Ed Nick, or whatever your name, I may not even know if that's your name, sir. Might be, just might be, if you did keep that to yourself and bring it on big old Lord TV, might be one of to talk about. Because if I did zip him out and fling out the key, nobody wouldn't know, but we would have still know because you would have smell rank and smell bad still. And that is so abnormal. So don't confuse with nobody else. So. If you think I'm crazy, keep it to yourself. Keep your urine to yourself. Nobody never asks.
I was in Aruba, my hands clenched up really hard.
Bad, poor.
You could commonly, I guess, refer to this as a panic attack. I was breathing too fast, I lost control of my breathing, and I didn't know what to do. So I gave a call to a friend of mine who I trusted to potentially have a solution. And the solution that he presented to me was to drink my urine. Okay. And I was skeptical. I asked him like 3 or 4 times, and he continued to just repeat himself, like, you gotta do it, bro. Just drink your pee, you gotta do it, bro. So I tried it, I peed in a jar. And as soon as I took like 1 sip and touched it to my tongue, my hands were like releasing and I felt like my nervous system like let go of my hands.
I feel like little tiny situation will help man, they make one big thing out of it. Okay, yes, maybe get a panic attack. But I will want something happen, they make one big old history scene of like, oh my gosh, Brandy. Because if I have flu right now, the doctor say take them pill here. I'm going to take them pill till the flu gone. Why am I going to take pills forever and ever, amen? Yes, you never feel good, the man say drink pee-pee. You drink pee-pee. You drink, you feel better. Alright, move on with life now. We're going to drink it forever and ever, amen? If this a glitch, do not mind. My phone just give problem right now. My phone keep on a full every minute. So we just gonna leave Brandy and Nick and Brandy alone for right now at this specific moment. We just got any video so because every minute my phone are full. I'm gonna have a situation, time and energy. So we're gonna move on with life now. This is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I feel like more videos like this, comment down below what else you want me to react to. So look a bit more on later. This is Channel Direction for TDJ News.